Hey guys, welcome back again. Hope you are all fine there. This is MJ. In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste entire worksheet in Excel along with formulas and settings. Sometimes when we copy and paste anything from one sheet to another sheet, it will disturb your formulas and settings. But in this video, I will show you how to do exactly copy and paste from one sheet to another sheet in Microsoft Excel. For example, here I have a one document and I have created a table, and here I have linked a lot of formulas like this, as you can see here. Okay, so I want to do exactly copy paste to another sheet. We have two options. I will show both. First one is just right click on the your sheet and click on move or copy, and then click move to end and click on create a copy. That's it. As you can see here, the next sheet is created. But another thing is, okay, I'm going to do this. If you want to don't if you don't like to use this, you can use another easy thing. Just keep your cursor here in the top, select your entire sheet like this. Okay, now press Ctrl C. Okay, press Ctrl C and open a new sheet and click here on the top and press enter. Boom, that's it. Don't be feel difficult, it's easy. I'll show again. Delete. Okay, once again just select this by pressing here top side. Okay, copy, open new sheet and press here. It will select your entire sheet and hit enter. That's it. All your formulas and setting will exactly pasted in the next sheet, as you can see here. So yeah, that's it. So in my future video, I will show you how to copy paste without formulas. Sometimes we need to copy paste data from one sheet to another sheet without using formulas or linking formulas. So I will show you next video. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.